All right, WMC, this is the video to find the winner of my TJ Watt, the white Wisconsin football. So we'll check the time, November 15th at 8:15 p.m. We're going to go over to the raffle and type live. And we have November 15th at 8:15 p.m. There's the list of our 20 entries. We're just going to randomize your names, and then whoever is on top after the final roll is our winner. So we need a dice roll of 5 or higher. There's 5. All right, 5 times. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Last and final. Here we go. Good luck. It is Chris. Spot 12 is your winner. So Chris, please get with me to get your Watt football. There is our verification code. Our timestamp once again, November 15th, 8:15 p.m. That's it, guys. Thanks.